Made money today. Custom.
4,800 bucks. This is my dad's brand new to him 2000 F350.
That was bought by my son
Yeah.
to try to help me out in the course of life.
Yes. And we're gonna put 10K into it and change it from a Facebook Marketplace POS truck to a really nice
Custom truck.
custom truck.
Custom trucks.
Okay. Interior, fucked. Look at this. Someone Picasso'd this dash. Literally splatter painted that whole thing.
Custom.
Airbag, ripped. Seats are ripped. Everything's dirty. So, we're gonna pull out the entire interior and start from there. We're gonna have a whole bunch of parts coming in. We're undoing some seat bolts. Look at, just show them the interior. This thing is disgusting. But listen to this. Listen, look at it. 4,800 bucks. 4,800 bucks. I thought that was a pretty good deal. Good for him. He hasn't owned a truck in 25 years. Look at him. Look at him.
Haven't had to own a vehicle in at least 25 years.
So you buy a 7.3.
So I buy a 30-year-old.
Yeah. Perfect. No, it'll be cool. We're gonna do an interior swap and dash swap maybe, and it'll look cool.
New steering wheel, new mirrors.
Oh yeah.
Everything.
Bed liner.
Basically we're gonna make this a brand new truck because we're gonna replace everything.
Custom.
Yeah.
Custom.
Time to get the seat out. This is my tool. All right, let's look and see what we found. We got an 11 mil, close to a 10 mil. We got a 9/32. Oh, we got a USB-C charger cable. Look at that. Used to have some subs in it. Yeah, oh, found another socket. We got 5/32. That's a really tiny guy. Cool, we're rich. And a screwdriver bit. Nice.
Not too bad.
Not too bad. Making money. Alright, now we gotta get front seats out. We got the back seats out, we're gonna get the front seats out, then vacuum this whole thing.
How's the back going?
It's coming.
Oh yeah.
Hey, I found a penny.
Heads up or
Sweet,
tails?
made money
It was
today.
heads up too.
Nice. Good luck.
Made money today.
We got 2 nuts right here, and then 2 bolts in the front, and then the seat will come out. Like that one's already loose. That's perfect. Hey Dad, this video is gonna be named Restoring a 7.3. Even though you shouldn't have to restore a 25-year-old truck.
Yeah, but this way I'll get it the way I want it. We're gonna customize it.
We're gonna get all the nuts out first on the back side and then do all the ones on the front. Yeah, I think this thing needs brand new seats, like 2022 Ford F250 seats. That'd be sick. We're gonna rip off all this window tint. 4 new door speakers, and this thing would sound good.
if we put the Dynamat in it, then we can,
The Dynamat's gonna make a huge difference
yeah.
on its own.
Well, and it'll help the speaker system too.
Look at that.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
All that garbage.
Nice. First seat out.
My bad.
Why'd you do that?
Trying to get out of the way.
Okay. Passenger seat coming out. Oh, look at this. Someone definitely fired a gun out of this car. Maybe at someone. Oh, this guy left all of his coins. Look at this. Take out the back seat belt. As you can see, it's getting clean. Look at that. Come look. Look at my dad. Look at that. Alright, should we see what's underneath number 1 right here? Okay. That's nice. Look at all these wires.
Find out what they go to now.
Definitely gonna need new weather stripping. It's kind of blown out. Yeah, we'll get you new weather stripping. This one? Still not too bad.
Any other contractor.
Oh yeah.
So
Getting the door
much stuff going, then you have to start rotating around. So tell me what to do.
We got all the everything's apart. Now we're pulling out the carpet. Look at this. Alright. We're gonna start at the back, pull the carpet back, and then move it back forward. Drag it out your way.
It's called something. Get up there.
Look at that. Another coin.
There you go.
We got another one.
That is
Look at
the
that.
flesh.
2008, bad year. Alright, now we gotta vacuum it out again, wash it, dry it.
Is this an add-on?
Yeah, that's your trailer brakes.
Yeah. We need to put all these wires away while we can.
Well, we're gonna take out all those and just do regular speaker system.
Yeah.
This guy had subs and shit in it.
Is that what all this is?
Yeah.
Okay.
We don't
Good.
need any of that.
Good, good, good. All right.
So yeah, take a little walk around and show them how clean all it's empty. That's about it.
But
So yeah, now we're gonna go get lunch and get some oil and figure out what to do next. Yeah, so far, this is what we got. Thanks for watching. All right.
custom trucks.